Imagine cutting through metal with a thin wire, no touching involved. It sounds like magic, right? That's the magic of wire electrical discharge machining, or EDM. This isn't your everyday cutting technique. Wire EDM is a highly precise method that uses electrical discharges to shape metal. It's like using tiny lightning bolts to sculpt intricate designs. This process is changing the game for industries that demand absolute precision. Wire EDM can handle even the toughest materials with ease. We're talking about the kinds of metals used to build airplanes and surgical tools. This method allows for intricate cuts and shapes that would be impossible with traditional machining. So, how does this spark erosion work exactly? Picture a thin, electrically charged wire held taut between two guides. This wire never actually touches the workpiece. Instead, it hovers a hair's breadth away, submerged in a bath of deionized water. This water is our conductor. When high-voltage pulses of electricity shoot from the wire, they vaporize tiny bits of metal. This controlled erosion happens along a programmed path, slowly carving out the desired shape. The water is crucial here. Not only does it conduct the electricity, but it also flushes away the eroded metal particles. This keeps the cutting zone clean and prevents short circuits. Traditional machining methods like milling or drilling rely on direct mechanical force. They use sharp tools to carve away material. But for delicate or complex designs, these methods can be limiting. They can also cause unwanted stress on the workpiece. This can lead to warping or breakage, especially with hard or brittle materials. Wire EDM, on the other hand, is a non-contact process. No physical force is applied to the workpiece, eliminating the risk of mechanical stress. This makes it ideal for intricate designs and delicate parts. Plus, EDM machines can achieve incredibly tight tolerances, often measured in microns. That's 1/1000th of a millimeter. Wire EDM's precision and versatility have made it indispensable across a range of industries. In aerospace, it's used to create intricate components for jet engines and rocket nozzles. The medical field relies on EDM for manufacturing surgical tools, implants, and even dental crowns. Tool and die makers, the wizards behind mass-produced products, depend heavily on wire EDM. They use it to create the molds and dies that shape everything from car parts to plastic bottles. Section 5. The EDM recipe for success, wire, settings, and TLC. Getting the most out of wire EDM requires a deep understanding of the process. Choosing the right wire is crucial. Different materials and wire diameters are suited for different applications and desired surface finishes. The machine settings, like the power of the electrical pulses and the wire feed rate, also play a vital role in determining the speed and accuracy of the cut. Like any sophisticated piece of machinery, EDM machines require regular maintenance. This includes cleaning, lubrication, and calibration to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Section 6. The future of EDM, smarter sparks on the horizon. The world of manufacturing is rapidly evolving, and wire EDM is no exception. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to revolutionize the way we use EDM. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize cutting parameters in real time, leading to faster cutting speeds, improved surface finishes, and reduced wire consumption. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is also making its mark on EDM. Connected machines can send and receive data, allowing for remote monitoring, predictive maintenance, and even remote operation. This level of connectivity promises to boost efficiency and productivity in the EDM world. Section 7. Wire EDM, a cut above the rest. In the world of precision engineering, wire EDM stands out as a game changer. Its ability to cut complex shapes in even the toughest materials with incredible accuracy makes it an indispensable tool across a multitude of industries. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications of wire EDM in the future. Whether you're building the next generation of spacecraft or crafting life-saving medical devices, wire EDM offers a level of precision and control that's simply unmatched by traditional machining methods. Section 8. Erodex, your partner in precision. For over 4 decades, Erodex has been a leading supplier of EDM consumables and expertise. We understand the intricacies of wire EDM and offer a comprehensive range of products and services to meet the most demanding machining challenges. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing tailored solutions that help our clients achieve exceptional results. If you're looking to harness the power of Wire EDM for your next project, look no further than Erodex. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve unparalleled precision and efficiency in your machining operations.